Cleaning out those drains.
Okay, so one of the things we found when we got this car is there was water that had gotten inside. It looked like the sunroof was leaking. So we looked at it. It looked like the seals are good, but there's drains. And these drains get clogged up and it causes water to run back and drop in the car. So we found a kit from Dorman. It goes down and cleans the drains out. Unfortunately, we couldn't get it all the way, so we ended up using a weed eater string because it'll go down in there. And then after doing that, we blew some air through it just to make sure it was clear down through. And that seems to have taken care of it. Now, when we got it open, because it wouldn't open at first, everything is really dry. So we're going to lube it up real good and make sure everything's conditioned real well. And it should pop right closed and open and close perfectly right after that.